A brilliant scientist once said, "The important thing is not to stop questioning. Curiosity has its own reason for existing." That scientist was Albert Einstein. Cats are mesopredators. It means that they are both predators and prey in the animal kingdom. Cats require vigilance and awareness of their surroundings. Curiosity is a fundamental part of survival in cats. They must be alert to all threats and simultaneously not miss an opportunity to eat. They do this by exploring and gaining as much information about their surroundings. Similar to cats, human ancestors needed to understand the environment and manipulate it. Curiosity about the surroundings helped people survive better, whether it meant knowing the best ways to flank prey on a hunt, finding better caves for shelter, or the best places to look for food and berries. Our most inquisitive predecessors had an edge over those who lacked curiosity, and this character trait has been passed down through generations. Cats are born with incredible characteristics that make them superb hunters and crafty prey. The cat's incredible inner ears enable them to detect changes in air pressure, which can signal a fast approaching storm. No wonder you don't see a cat caught in the middle of a storm. Their tiny nostrils have 40 times as many olfactory receptors as humans do. With such sensitive receptors, it makes sense that cats would be naturally curious about their vivid surroundings. Even in humans, curiosity does have a genetic component. According to some researchers, variations in the human DRD4 gene are related to a person's tendency for novelty seeking. Simply put, a person born with this modified gene is naturally inclined to be more curious. But as in all cases, genetics is never the whole story. Neoteny, a characteristic of the human species, is the source of our unusual curiosity. This phrase refers to the retention of youthful features and is taken from the evolutionary theory. It implies that we are a species that is more close to childlike than other mammals. One physical example is being comparatively hairless. Another is having a huge brain in comparison to body size. Our lively nature and our unceasing curiosity are traits of neoteny. Our brain enters the curiosity state when something makes us curious, such as a fascinating fact or an unusual noise next door. The part of our brain which is linked to uneasiness lights up, as a lack of knowledge is troubling. The brain then goes into overdrive with its learning and memory signal as it starts searching for solutions. The quenching of curiosity with new information is tied to our brain's reward science. Yes, our brain rewards our curiosity when we satisfy it with knowledge. Dopamine, the brain's reward molecule, has been found to have a complex relationship with the brain's state of curiosity. The brain floods our body with dopamine when we explore and fill our curiosity. It in turn makes us happy. This incentive system makes it more likely that you'll attempt to quench your curiosity a second time in the future. Looks like we owe evolution for our childlike curiosity. As Albus Dumbledore once said, curiosity is not a sin, but we should exercise caution with our curiosity. Be curious with QShala. If you like this video, like and share it with your friends and family. Do subscribe to QShala for more such amazing content.